Okay, today we are going to introduce you something very new. This is called wireless doorbell. This wireless doorbell is not only a doorbell, it can in fact talk to each other, and the distance is very far. After we show you the distance, how far is far. Okay, and this is battery operated. One charge can last for 4 to 6 months. This is outdoor and it's IP55. IP55 meaning is can kena rain lah, hujan atau apa-apa, no problem at all. Okay, and this is the indoor unit. It comes with a dock, so every time you finish, you can just put like that. Okay, now you can do multiple. You can have 2 outdoor, you can have 2 indoor, 3 indoor, up to you. It's multiple, vice versa, up to you. Okay, this is a wireless doorbell. We have to test the distance, okay, to see how good is good and the sound, the voice come out from the speaker, is it good or not? Okay, let me take this and this. Okay, pass it to Mr. Fizzy. Okay, right now, let me do a talking first. Okay, okay, testing. Can you hear me?
Okay, Roger.
Okay, now he's moving. You can see now. He's slowly moving to the other side. We will see how far is far. Okay, now start moving Fizzy. When you're moving, I will talk to you. Okay, kalau boleh dengar, kasih Roger cakap sedikit.
Roger.
Okay, tengok. Sekarang dia jalan. Okay, you can see. Okay, jalan lagi. Tapi tengok kereta kalau lalu lintas itu jalan raya.
Roger.
Okay, very clear, right? So this is very useful. You can put in your house. You can have 2 or 3 multiple handset for indoor. Okay, now Mr. Busy, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay, you can see very far. You can see. Okay, now slowly walk to the road now, passing by the barrier gate now. You can see.
Yeah. Roger.
Now it's about 150 meter away. It's going over the road. You can see. Okay, please look at the car first before you lalu lintas.
Roger.
You can see just now the voice is very clear, right? Okay. You can see there very far. Okay, we do the testing right now. Boleh dengar tak? Kalau Fizzy, kalau boleh dengar cakap kata 2.
Boleh dengar. Clear.
Okay, you can see how far is it. So in this case, if you put inside your bungalow house or whatever house, it definitely can receive. You can see so far until the other side. It's about 250 meter if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, Roger.
Okay, please come back. Okay, this is the wireless doorbell.
Okay,
This wireless doorbell can do wireless. One charge for the outdoor can last 4 to 6 months. After that, you can take out from here, put inside the dock and charge again. But the indoor, they give you a dock. So you can every time finish, you can just put.
Testing. Ada dengar.
Okay, thank you very much. Bye-bye.